Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage firewall settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, we need to go over and go to Preferences. Now go to Network, and here we need to scroll a bit down until we see the firewall settings. Now here, as you guys can see, we have the IPv4 address filter, IPv6 and the MAC address filter. And here we can enable or disable outbound and inbound filter. So as you guys can see, here we have it for IPv6, and also here we have it for our MAC address. Now I'll show you the second way of getting it. So it's through the website. So I'll show it to you guys. So as you guys can see, I'm on the website and we cannot choose general user mode when logging in. We need to select system manager mode. And here, as you guys can see, the general users can log in without entering their username. So it's this one. But here, let's enter the administrator, and the remote UI access pin for me was 1234. So if you've forgotten yours, then you guys can configure a new one on the device. And here, let's change it to system manager mode. Here, let's click login. And now we're gonna get redirected to the portal. So now let's just click here. Let's go over to settings and registration. And here we need to select network settings. So now as you guys can see here, we have everything, and firewall settings are right here, almost at the bottom. So as you guys can see here, we also have the outbound filter, inbound filter for IPv4, IPv6 and the MAC address. And here we can edit them. For example, the outbound filter. Here we can use the filter, we can reject or allow by the default policy. And here we have the exception addresses, where we can add an address to register it to exception ones. So here, let's enter the MAC address of anything. So if you've got one, then enter it here and then click on add, and then simply click OK, and it will all be saved. So as you guys can see, let's click OK. I did not change anything, but as you guys can see, it should definitely work for you if you have an MAC address, for example. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.